Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how you can apply for Sainsbury's jobs in the UK. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to sainsburys.jobs. And then, from the main screen, as you can see, you should see all the store roles right here where you can apply for a job. So, if you're looking for a specific role like in-store, logistics and fulfillment roles, early career roles, technology, support function, you can simply click on find out more on that corresponding role that you're looking for. But for a more general approach, click on search and apply. Next, as you can see, there will be filters that you can use to ease up finding the job that you want. You can choose a professional area right here, and then search for jobs. After searching, simply scroll down, and you can see all the available jobs after you filtered. Example, online assistant, services assistant, customer advisor Argos, and so much more. After choosing one, click on learn more. From here, this would be the details of this specific job, including the rate, the location, the hours of payment, the contract type, the business area, the closing date, and the requisition ID. It also includes the shift hours right here, for example, which is 4 to 8 a.m. in the morning. So, if you're sure that this is the job that you want to take, click on apply. After that, Sainsbury's would ask you to log in to your account. So, simply put in your email address and the rest of the details, including your contact number, address, and the other details needed by Sainsbury's, and then fill out the resume form and wait for the confirmation and verification of your application. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!